because we have an integration between all our marketplaces and Odoo itself, as soon as we get a new order, it's automatically going to be printed on a special printer here at the warehouse. So as soon as we get a new document, I am ready to pick anything, so any new order. Of course, you can make it paperless, but in this case, we're going to show you some scenario we have in real life. So you're getting the document and picker know he's ready to go to pick the order. Okay, we have a new order. So let's check it out. It's Apple laptop. Okay. So we are going to use a Ventor application, Ventor PRO. So open the warehouse operations here. So we can scan the barcode of document to open it immediately. So now I need to go to the shelf to bin 1 to pick up an Apple laptop. First we need to confirm location, then product, it's definitely a MacBook Air. So we need to confirm a serial number. So scanning it. So no, wrong one. Maybe this one. Yes, yes. So it's very important to pick right item with the right serial number. So I am applying quantity and confirm it. Yes, it's confirmed. After this, we are going to open a delivery order to validate this order and get the shipping label. So let's move to this. So now I need to find the document to be delivered. It's sales order 25, so I can use a search to do it quickly. 25. So yes, it is. Let's open it. So we don't need to confirm source location. We don't need to confirm the product, only the serial number one more time. So I actually have the serial number here to speed up the process. So 1 out of 1, it's here. That's good. So the only thing we need to do right now is to take a box. So let's put it out. I'm going to confirm the order here. Yes, I'm clicking on apply. Yes, it's done. So let's immediately print out the labels that we are needed for this. And moreover, we are going to print a packing slip here. So let's put the label on the box. Packing slip here. 1 sales order. Yeah, it's actually pretty straightforward, even for me who is doing it as the very first time. Here. And now we are ready to deliver. So as you might see, it was pretty straightforward. I just pick the order from the shelf, validate the serial number, put it into the box and put the label here. So everything is really simple if you're using the Ventor PRO application, if you're using the direct print application where you don't need to use IoT box. So everything is like configurable. And of course, because of our connectors, reliable one, for Shopify, for Magento, for WooCommerce, for PrestaShop. So if you're using our products together, you can be covered with a really great ecosystem where all the orders going to your system automatically print out. You're going to pick them, get the label immediately using the printer from Zebra. Pretty much straightforward. If you have any question, feel free to go to YouTube here and the comment section and leave your comment here. So you can also read our blog where you can find a lot of information about how to integrate your web shop, how to use the Ventor PRO or direct print or all other products that we have. We are here at VentorTech and really ready to help you to integrate your Odoo and automate your business. Feel free to go to us. See you.